Alright, let's talk about something we've all been there with, overcommitting to events and then realizing, oh crap, I need outfits for all of these. That's exactly where I found myself this spring. I said yes to every invite that came my way, thinking, I'll figure it out later. Well, later is here, and I'm not just talking about outfits, I'm talking hotels, flights, gifts, the whole shebang. But here's the thing, I'm not about to lose my title as the best-dressed guest. So, where am I turning? Walmart. Yes, you heard me. Walmart. And here's why. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Walmart isn't exactly the first place that comes to mind when you think runway-inspired fashion. But what makes this really interesting is that they've been stepping up their game in a major way. Brands like Time and Tru, Scoop, and Free Assembly are not just affordable, they're on trend. We're talking sculptural shapes, pastel hues, romantic florals, all the spring vibes you could want. Personally, I think this is a game changer. It's like having a fashion insider's secret, but without the insider prices. What many people don't realize is that these brands are often designed with the latest runway trends in mind, but at a fraction of the cost. So, you're not just saving money, you're staying stylish. Now, let's talk dress codes. Every event I'm going to has a different vibe, which means I need a different outfit. A sundress for a graduation party? Check. A gown for a black tie wedding? Check. A cocktail dress for another wedding? Check. And let's not forget brunch appropriate looks. What I find fascinating is how Walmart has managed to cater to all of these needs under one roof. Long, midi, mini, they've got it all. Plus, inclusive sizing and affordable prices? It's like they read my mind. If you take a step back and think about it, this is a huge deal. In the past, I'd have to hop between multiple stores, spend a fortune, and still end up stressed. But now? I can get everything in one place, and their shipping is so reasonable. Next day delivery? Curbside pickup? Yes, please. It's like they've thought of everything. Let me walk you through what I'm actually wearing to these events, because I'm all about the details. For a sun-soaked brunch, I'm throwing on this square neck mini dress from Scoop. It's effortless, it's chic, and it's perfect for that laid-back yet put-together vibe. Then, for the black tie garden wedding, I'm going all out with this floral maxi dress from Prettygarden. The floral pattern is just right, not too loud, not too subtle. And for my friend's baby shower, I'm wearing this sleeveless pleated mini dress from Free Assembly. The sculptural pink frock? It's giving modern elegance, and I'm here for it. What this really suggests is that you don't have to break the bank to look like you just stepped off the runway. But here's a detail I find fascinating, the Scoop front mini dress with puff sleeves. This dress looks so expensive, the smocking, the puff sleeves, but it's under $30. No one at the grad party will ever know. And finally, I'm keeping this lace collar dress from Scoop on hand for any last-minute invites. It's boho, it's versatile, and it's a lifesaver. What many people don't realize is that having a few key pieces like this can completely transform your event-ready wardrobe without costing a fortune. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just about shopping, it's about strategy. It's about knowing where to look, what to buy, and how to make it work for multiple occasions. Personally, I think Walmart has cracked the code here. They've made it possible to be on trend, event-ready, and budget-conscious all at the same time. This raises a deeper question: why do we assume high fashion has to come with a high price tag? Maybe, just maybe, it's time to rethink where we shop and why. So, here's my closing thought: next time you're stressing about what to wear to an event, don't overlook the obvious. Walmart isn't just a place for groceries or household essentials, it's a fashion destination. And if you're smart about it, you can look like $1 million without spending it. What do you think? Are you ready to give Walmart a chance for your next event? Let me know in the comments, I'm curious to hear your thoughts.